winning the toenail battle with the power of herbs. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. The battle against toenail tyrants begins with a call to arms for those seeking liberation from the clutches of unsightly fungus. It's a fight for health, aesthetics, and confidence. Garlic steps into the fray, not just as a kitchen staple, but as a formidable foe against fungal invaders. Its potent properties make it more than just a flavor enhancer. Oregano oil, often celebrated on pizza, emerges as a nightmare for toenail fungus. Its powerful antifungal qualities reveal a side to this common herb that few anticipate. Tea tree oil enters the scene, not for a genteel tea party, but for a rigorous battle against foot fungus. Its reputation for purifying and healing becomes its weapon. Thyme isn't just for seasoning, it delivers a punishing blow to fungus. With its antifungal prowess, thyme turns the tide in the fight for fungus-free feet. Cinnamon isn't just for your latte, it's a powerhouse in the fight against toenail fungus. Its antifungal properties can spice up your foot care routine while showing fungi the door. Ginger has made a leap from enhancing sushi flavors to becoming a champion in the battle for fungus-free feet. This root's antiseptic qualities can help clear up infections, leaving your toes in tip-top shape. Turmeric, known for its vibrant color and health benefits, also plays a crucial role in foot health. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help in defeating the pesky critters that attack your nails. Lavender offers more than a calming aroma. It's a fierce adversary against foot fungus. Its antifungal abilities not only soothe your skin, but also send fungal invaders packing. Peppermint cools your feet and brings its potent antifungal game to the party. This refreshing herb leaves your feet feeling invigorated while it puts the freeze on fungal growth. Sage advice spans centuries, embodying ancient wisdom that now lends itself to combating modern-day toenail fungus. Its potent antifungal properties make it a revered ally in our quest for healthy nails. Lemongrass, with its vibrant citrus scent, isn't just a culinary delight, but a formidable foe against fungal foes. Its powerful essence delivers a swift kick to unsightly nail invaders, restoring foot health. Apple cider vinegar soaks offer a toe-tally tangy treatment that turns the tide in the battle against toenail tyranny. Its acidic nature creates an unwelcoming environment for pesky fungal growth. Chamomile, known for its calming teas, also harbors terror for toenail fungus. This gentle yet effective herb soothes the skin while simultaneously declaring war on unwelcome foot fungi. Black walnut stands tall as a beacon of hope for those suffering from fungal foot afflictions. Its potent antifungal components wage a relentless war, ensuring healthy nails and fungus-free feet. Aloe vera stands as the soothing soldier in the relentless war against fungus. This green hero offers cool relief while fiercely combating the unseen enemies lurking beneath toenails. Neem oil, the green guardian, brings its ancient powers to the forefront of the battle. With a single swipe, it wages war against the ghastly fungi, promising a cleaner tomorrow. Eucalyptus leaps from the koala's snack to a formidable foe against fungus. Its refreshing scent masks a deadly blow to the critters that dare invade our toes. Mustard oil enters the fray with a spicy secret weapon. Its fiery nature heats up the battlefield, leaving fungal invaders in a swift retreat from our feet. Marching forward, we envision a future free from the tyranny of toenail fungus. With these natural allies, victory is not just a dream, but a forthcoming reality. The journey to conquering toenail fungus doesn't end here. It's a continuous march towards a healthier, fungus-free future. With each step, we move closer to waving goodbye to those pesky pathogens. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.